going on, Bone Shaker Garage? So we got us a thing we gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna change a water pump on a 2014 CLS 550. Yeah, right there. Look at it, y'all. Nice car, nice car, nice car. I'm here to help my neighbor, so we're gonna do a little business here. Water pump right there, y'all. So we're gonna get that thing off. Hopefully we're gonna get it off, right?
Yeah, sure.
Heard what he said. He said yeah. So let us get the business, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what we did to get this thing off. All right, guys. So we need to take off this star. There's another star in there. Can you see? Another star. If y'all can see it. What is? It's right there. Let's see here. Right there. And we got another one right here. You can see it. And there's another one up under here. So let's see if we can get that thing off. All right, guys. So let me show y'all something here. We had to take that right there off, which is a cover, a fan to cover the plate. Had to take all this stuff off. Had to get the fan out. And this left us with this. We had to take this pipe loose because the pulley that that adjusts the belt is behind this pipe right here. And now we have finally made it to the water pump. We got one bolt there, we got one bolt there, we got a bolt there, and we got another bolt there. Now, I'm trying to see if we got a bolt up under here, which I'm going to have to get my phone and try to take a picture of it and take a look. But I'm thinking that all of this with this piece right, with this right here, is the damn water pump. So when Willie get back, I'm gonna have him give me a picture of what the water pump looked like, and then I'll be able to figure out from that point what we got going. And I can tell you right now, getting that doggone fan out was a fiasco. We had clips here, we got clips down there, we got a clip there, we got a clip up here. We broke that clip, and we got another clip down there. Then we had to finagle it all out between that pipe right there, this one right here, this one right here, and this stuff right here. Man, Mercedes, they definitely was intended for you not to work on this. So let me get back to this, man, and as I progress, man, I'll show y'all. I ain't trying to show y'all step by step, man, because I don't know it, and it's crazy. Hell, we even had to take these hooks off. That hooks to right here for the hood. Got one on both sides. Had to pull that pulley off too as well. So we got a mess here, man. Mercedes knew what they was doing when they was saying, no, we don't want nobody working on this at all. Bring it back to me so I can make my money. What's up, gang? So we are back on the CLS 550. Now, we have about, how many bolts we got in this doggone thing here?
6.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 doggone bolts in a damn water pump. Now, I got all of them out except for one that I got to take care of. Got to figure a way to get this one out. May have to cut this thing off here, and don't worry about putting shit back in it because they got enough bolts holding this. But I'll fill it with some silicone, maybe, I don't know. But somebody been in here before and they stripped this dang bolt out, so I'm gonna have to cut this thing off. I don't have any choices. And there's a couple of hoses that dry rotted that, let me tell you, if your bank is up, buy one of these. If your bank ain't up, do not buy one of these. Had to rebuy hoses that only you can get from the dealer. And we talking about some little skinny hoses. $450 something. This thing right here. This thing right here that has a thermostat housing in it. This thing here is $259. It's plastic, all plastic. 259 stinking ass dollars. So don't mess with these cars, man. They unless your bank is up. Or take it to the dealer. Your bank still gotta be up. So guys, here we go. We got it out. So only thing holding me now is the doggone water hose on the bottom of it. So I'm gonna get that off, and I'm gonna let you guys look at this masterpiece. All right, guys. So we got it off. My next thing I'm about to do now is do some cleanup, and try to piece this thing back together. Got a lot of grease down there, so I'm gonna clean all that crap up as well, and we're gonna put this thing back in here, and hopefully Monday when the other parts come, we'll finish this thing up. But we're gonna get this done before that light there go down. So let me get busy. All right, guys. So that bolt that was right here, you see, it's no longer there. We got it out after I cut the head off of it. It's screwed out. So yeah, somebody stripped it real good, and I did what I need to do to get the thing off. So we shouldn't need it, but yeah, we're gonna put the gasket and the pump on together. So we shouldn't need it no way, because we got damn 1,000 screws to put back in this damn thing. So we shouldn't need that one screw. Shouldn't hurt us at all. And a matter of fact, I'm gonna put all the screws across the top, and that one is gonna be at the bottom. It's gonna be missing one at the bottom, so we'll be good. It's gonna be nice and tight, so we shouldn't have no issues. Matter of fact, no, I think I'm gonna leave it at the top. Put everything back at the bottom, because gravity pulls shit down. So we'll put it at the bottom. Yep. I'm glad y'all told me that right there, right quick. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get this thing back in here, and we're gonna get down to business. Man, I wish I could set this. I wish I could set my camera up, man, so y'all could see this, but I don't have that. I don't have that luxury right now. So.
They got 2 plugs in here too.
So I'll get back to y'all. Well, guys, we got it back in there. As you can see, we got everything bolted up. We're just waiting on parts. We need a part right here that's coming. We got some broken hoses that's coming. So yeah, other than that, we got it in there. You need to replace these. These are old and worn out. Yep. But if you look at the car, man, look at the car. The car is a nice ass car. But whoever had it prior to him didn't take care of it, so we doing the stuff that they should have did. So everything will work out. Everything will work out. So
yeah, here's another piece right here.
Yeah. So we will catch y'all here in a couple of days once we get the other parts. What's up, good folks? So we are back here on this Mercedes. We have this part. We have this broken part. We have that broken part and that broken part. So we're gonna get those pieces on. Then I'm gonna bring y'all back. Also, these pieces here, these broken pieces, that piece is broke, so we're gonna replace this one here. We're gonna work with this here. Now we're going to rig a little bit of this because these pipes here go on the side of this motor that we can't get to. So we're gonna take this here, try to get this covered plastic piece off, and put a hose on there and run the hose into another plastic piece. We got this part over here to go over there. So hopefully everything good to go. If I made that was broke, but it's not. All right, so let me get to it. What's up, y'all? So we are still at it. It's dark out here, and yeah, we are making it work. So we got everything back on, basically trying to get these hoses connect up. Not get it. If these are not the right hoses we are working with, because this crap here, we had to make work. This one here is going right there. So everything hooks back up like it's supposed to. But, and all this stuff is going to be covered anyway by the thermostat and a pipe that goes here, down across here. So you won't even see this stuff. But, yep, we are doing it. And we are doing it big. So, but let me check something right quick. Make sure that this thermostat is going to go up in here like it's supposed to. If not, then we're going to have issues. Let me get that right now before don't know where the hell it's at. There we go. Whew. Thermostat right here. So this need to be facing up, and this belt got to come off. Oh, this got to go behind that belt. Yep. This curve piece fits up off in there. Yep, sure do. Belt got to come off again. Oh boy. Do I got what I need to get that belt off? I do. Alright y'all, so let me get that belt off and do it again. Get it back together, boys. Nope. Nope. That's it, man. Just for a minute.
But I gotta get underneath there and put that seal on.
Yep. We're good to go here, guys. So it's back together, running. So like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm finna get to work. It's 5 o'clock in the morning.